Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. I have, alhamdulillah, achieved a big target today, and I've got 10,000 subscribers, which is a very big jump. It took me ages to get there where I am now, but it was worth. Every single minute was worth. Enjoyed making the videos for all of you. It took me nearly 5 years nearly to get to 10,000, but I wasn't serious at the beginning, but slowly I start enjoying it, mostly when the people start asking me the questions, which is just really good. Ask me what to do, how to do it, which test route will be. It's like I'm like a psychic. They ask me question and I tell them this test route probably you will go there, which is not 100% sure, because I only give the prediction on the base of my student when they went to the test. This is not that 100% every time they will go into that, but yeah, 50-50. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Would like to say all my subscribers a very big thank you for keeping me busy. All your questions, all your suggestions. It's not end of it. I'm still doing it, enjoying what I'm doing. It's really fun when I make videos now. They do ask me to make a certain routes, and I will try my best, because it's a very time consuming thing when you make videos. So but I am trying my best, and because I received 10,000, so I would like to say again big thank you to each my subscriber, or everyone who follow me. They even start recognizing me on the road as well, which is it's a good thing, I think. Yeah, it's a good thing. They do ask me to do a mock test as well, and even the video sessions, which is good. Anyone who wants to do a mock test with your video session, I normally do it. Happy to do it. I put the cameras, you sit there and enjoy yourself. Last time I think Brother Jubair did, done 4 serious fault, explaining what to do, how to do it. And after day, I think he had a test and he came up with a 0 minor, no fault at all into the test, which was, he enjoyed it, and he left me a good feedback as well. I have Urdu channel as well, along with the English channel. So both channels doing good. English channel, because I had for a long time now, so it's absolutely fine. Urdu channel started recently, doing good as well. Would like to say big thank you to brother Muhammad Limo Mia. He's the guy who's looking after my channel now. I used to do it myself before, but as I said, that is time consuming. It used to take me ages to edit my videos and everything, but he's the guy. He look after my channel now, so he does everything. I will just send it over to him, do the editing. He does editing as well. He does everything. So I would like to say thank you to Brother Muhammad Lim, though I'll keep him busy in the future as well. And again, I would like to say thank you to all of you for taking me there where I am at the moment. Everyone recognize even the car as well when I drive on the road. So thank you very much for everyone, and it's not just stopped. Keep spreading the word, that Urdu channel and the English channel as well, and keep me busy with the which route would you like me to make. So I'll try my best to make it very simple video. I don't make very complicated or anything, and just keep it simple. What would you should be doing on when you're driving onto the road? Nothing complicated. I keep it very simple. I explain you how to do it, and that's what I think the people like when they leave a comments there, and lots of comments comes now. And sometimes, yes, I get busy because I have to do a lot of things. I'm a driving instructor myself as well, so I do work, and I'm late to reply on the someone comment. It's not that I ignored. Sometimes I do see them and I don't have a time to reply. So if I have missed anyone's reply, I'm really apologize for that, and wish everyone best of luck. Who's ever the test is coming in future and who's getting ready, just listen to your instructor and do exactly the thing they teach you how to do it on the day of the test. On the test, there will be not sitting next to you, there'll be examiner. Just stay calm and listen to the instruction of the examiner on that day. If you don't understand, I keep repeating on every single video normally I do when I make it. If you don't understand what the examiner have asked, ask them to repeat, and they will happily do it. They do ask you normally on the beginning of the test as well. If you don't understand anything, ask me and I will repeat myself. I would like to say again one more time, thank you to each one of you who have subscribed me and are following me for a very long time. Thank you, and thank you again. Wish you very best of luck, whoever's got the test, and thank you. Have achieved 10,000, which is I think 10,085 now. So next target will be 15,000. Let's see how long will it take me, because it took me nearly 5 years. As I said, that started in the COVID time, so nearly took me 5 years to get 10,000 subscribers. Let's see how long it will take me now to get to 5,000. Today the date is 6th of September 2025. Hope it's not going to be that long. Yeah, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Bye.